Hello friends, Notepad is a text editor. It means we can type anything in it and then we can save our typing or we can also print our typing. Generally it is considered very unimportant, but if you are planning to do software or computer engineering or some kind of coding work in future, you must learn this. Let us open the Notepad first. First of all guys, we will discuss copy paste. Copy paste means if you want to copy some text to some other location, we don't have to type that text again. You just have to copy that. How? Click and hold the left mouse button and drag it over the text you want to select. So I have selected this text now. Now you need to use a shortcut for copying, that is Control plus C, or you can also right click or copy. Now go to the next location, so where you want to paste it in here, right click and paste. You can also use the shortcut Control plus V for paste. He is my uncle's friend. If you want to move the text to some other location, select the text, then right click and now cut. The shortcut is Control plus X and the text is now gone. Now we have to move to the next location here and now right click paste. Just like that we have moved friend from this location to this location. Now delete button is just a keyboard delete button just to delete the text. How? We can simply click and drag to select the text that we want to delete and press the delete key. Backspace deletes from the back side. For example, our cursor is here, press backspace, it will delete text from the back. Now if you want to delete the text from the front, click here in front of H, press delete button. It will delete the text from the front side. Click here and press delete. It will delete the text from the front side. Next option we have search with Bing. Bing is a website or you can say search engine just like Google search. For using this option you need to have an internet connection. So if you want to search the meaning of some written text, some written word in your notepad, for example this, what is typesetting, select the typesetting with the mouse and press search with Bing. Go to edit and search with Bing. So it will open the Google Chrome. If your internet is working, it will tell you the meaning of typesetting. Next option we have find whatever you want to find in your notepad. For example, I want to find lorem ipsum word. The shortcut is Control plus F. Let us press Control and F key. Now here let us type lorem ipsum. So it will find the text for us. Up next. So here lorem ipsum, it has searched the lorem ipsum, find next, lorem ipsum, find next, lorem ipsum. Direction means where is your cursor. For example, your cursor is here, you want to search upwards. Now you have to select this radio button up. Now it will select from here to the upper locations. Click, it is finding it, find next, it is finding now and now. So just like that you can also match the case if you want. For example, I am writing lorem in uppercase letters, so find next is it is finding lorem. Go to down, lorem, it is finding that text. So if you want to match the case, for example match case, it will only find the uppercase lorem. Find next, cannot find. Why cannot find? Because it is unable to match the uppercase letters. Now next one is find and replace. For that we have another exercise file. Let us go to that exercise file first. Find and replace. This is the name of the students and this is the location where they live. Bob is living in America. Proctor is also living in America and Kelly is living in America. For example, by mistake we have written America in here. We want some other country. For example, we want Russia in here. We don't have to delete this text with the backspace and we have to write here Russia. No, we can make the use of find and replace. So click on edit. The shortcut is Control H, replace. Now what do you want to replace? Find what? Find what means what do you want to replace? Here we need to write down America and replace with what word? So for example, if you want to replace it with Russia, now you can replace one by one, or you can replace all. For example, let us replace it all. As you can see, Russia, Russia, and Russia. So sometimes we make some mistake in our notepad document. We write something wrong multiple times. Place is the best option to correct those. The next option we have go to. I have opened the exercise file for go to. Let us go to edit and click go to. What is go to? Go to means on what line number do you want to go. For example, I want my cursor to go on like first line. So here I will put the 1 and go to. Now as you can see guys, my cursor is blinking at line number 1. Next we will discuss format tab. Let us open word wrap exercise file. Click word wrap wraps up the text in a single line or a paragraph in the display window of the notepad. Take it off. As you can see, my line is now there is a scroll bar. So if I write something in here, it will go in a single line until I press enter key. Enter key makes it the second line. Now you can start typing. But if you are taking it on, it will adjust the text in the window. So it wraps up the text in the display window. This is a very useful option. Next option we have font. Click on font. For example, this I am choosing, or any other, for example this one, and bold, and size is for example 36, and OK. View zoom. Zoom means zooming in. You must be knowing about the zooming in and out. You can also use control plus and control minus to zoom in and zoom out the text. Status bar mostly used to see the line number of our cursor. For example, I click here. As you can see, LN4, that means our cursor is on line number 4. It is very much important when you are working in some IT industry or coding work. Now guys, we are done with our editing work. Now we have to check out the file tab. First of all, new. What does new means? New means if you want to work on a new file, click on new, save this file, and it will open a new blank document for you. You can write anything in that. After writing something, you can save your work. So click on save. So where you have already learned about the locations in the computer, you can save your work, for example on the desktop or anywhere you want. For example, in documents I want to save it. Click and give it some name. For example, sample1. This is the name and it is being saved in the documents. Save. So now the same document, for example, you are changing something. This is changed document. Now you have changed something and you want to save it again with different file. You can save it as, save as, and now you can write down, for example, sample2 or sample1 changed and save. So there will be two different documents. So let us open the documents, go to this PC with the shortcut window logo plus E, and now here you have documents. Double click on the documents. Here you can see sample1 and sample1 changed. But double click to open the file. As you can see, this is the sample1, and double click on the other one. This is sample1 changed. So one was saved by saving and one changed file was saved by save as. This is the difference between two, save and save as. Next option we have page setup and print. The printing will be discussed after some time. It is very simple to print these kind of documents. You just have to use print or control P command to print it. The last option we have a new window. Open a blank notepad document. Just click over here. So guys, that's it for Notepad. If you liked the video, you can subscribe to the channel. Thanks for showing so much love, and thanks for watching my video. Have a good day.